Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Minecraft Education Edition without school email. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, by the way, you can just go ahead and try a demo right here. Okay, if you want to. It says here, if you don't have an account, try a demo lesson. Okay, you can just go ahead and click on it, accept the terms, and hit on play. You're good to go. Right? But if you want to, you can go ahead over to your favorite browser. Add a disclaimer. You will need to pay for something. All right. So type down purchasing Minecraft education for homeschooling and family use. So just tap on it and tap on the first search result. Okay. As you can see here, we have a result from AI, which is $36 per user a year. So just click on it. Now this one will load. All you got to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Microsoft Admin Center hyperlink. This one. It's a step-by-step guide right here, by the way. It says here, create a Microsoft 365 Admin Center account and organization. And then purchase Minecraft education licenses. Right? Create users in the Admin Center and assign Minecraft education licenses to users. And note, users won't be able to log in until this is done. Okay? So all you got to do is just basically follow the simple prompts from here. At least you know how to start. Okay, so basically you go ahead over to this hyperlink to get started. Open link in a new tab and just follow the steps from here. You could go ahead and do this one and start following the steps. So it says here, your Microsoft 365 Admin Center account grants you access to purchase licenses and manage your users that will access Minecraft education. It is free to set up an account and does not obligate you to any subscriptions or purchases unless you specifically authorize them. All right, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.